Hello my dear student, hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video we have already completed chapter number 5 and there is a poem, The Rain and the Wind. So now in today's video I am going to start the next chapter that is given in your New Champs English Reader book, that is chapter number 6. So first of all, you all take out your New Champs English Reader book and open chapter number 6. And the title of this story is A Visit to Granny. Today we are going to start the new story and the title of this story is A Visit to Granny. What the meaning of granny? Do you know about this? What the meaning of granny? So student, the meaning of granny is maternal mother. Okay, maternal mother, or we can say that granny means our grandmother or maternal mother. Okay, and in a simple way we all could say that our nanny. Okay, so a visit to granny. And what the meaning of visit? It means to meet. Okay, a meeting with grandmother. Okay, so let's start the reading of this story. Dear student, first of all I am going to read and after that I will explain this beautiful story to you. So you all put finger on your book and repeat after me one by one. Okay, so first of all we are going to read that chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, and the title of this chapter is A Visit to Granny. A Visit to Granny. Okay, what the spelling of visit? The spelling of visit is V-I-S-I-T, visit. And what the spelling of granny? G-R-E-N-N-Y, granny. Okay student, and now start the reading. So there is a first, Joya and Mummy are going to visit granny. In this story we are going to learn about a little girl who wants to meet his grandmother with her mother. Okay, and the name of this little girl is Joya, and Joya and her mummy are going to visit granny. Okay, granny loves fruits. Granny loves fruits. Mummy wants to buy fruits for granny. Mummy wants to buy fruits for granny. Joya goes to the fruit shop with mummy. Joya goes to the fruit shop with mummy. On the way they see many other shops. Okay student, in this story we are going to learn about a little girl. As you can see, there is a little girl. Her name is Joya, and this little girl and her mother wants to meet with her granny. So that's why they both going to visit her granny. Okay, and the granny of this little girl loves fruits so much. So that's why her mummy, Joya's mummy, wants to buy fruits for granny. So that's why Joya goes to the fruit shop with mummy. Okay, and on the way they see many other shops. As you can see at your screen, there are so many shops on the way, that is toy shops, book shops, clothes shops. So some sell toys, some sells books, and some sells clothes. Okay, and now they wants to buy fruits. So they reach the fruit shop. Okay, because they wants to buy fruits for granny, so that's why they going to the fruit shop. Okay, and next line is they reach the fruit shop. It is a big shop. Okay, as you can see, there is a fruit shop and it is a very big shop. Okay, and the next is the shop has lots of fruits. The shop has lots of fruits. Why this shop has lots of fruits? Because it is a fruit shop. That's why this shop has lots of fruits. Okay, and there are, as you can see at your screen, there are red apples. You can see in the shop there are yellow bananas. Okay, and mangoes in the shop. Red apples, yellow bananas and mangoes. There are green melons. Where is the green melon? Here is the green melons. Okay, green melons and purple grapes too. You can see there is a green melon and purple grapes too. Okay, what's the color of fruits? The apples are red. Okay, red apples, yellow bananas and mangoes, green melon and purple grapes too. Now the next, come to the next page. So on the next page there are brown chikus and orange oranges. At the shop you can see there are brown chikus and orange oranges. Brown chikus and orange oranges. And the next, there are bunches of yellow bananas too. You can see there are bunches of yellow bananas too. Okay, yellow bananas too. Now the next stage. Next is Joya and Mummy buy lots of fruits. Joya and Mummy buy lots of fruits. They buy a melon. And tell me what's the color of melon? The color of melon is green. Okay. Next is mangoes. What the color are mangoes? So the color of mangoes are yellow. And some grapes. So there are purple grapes at the shop. And now the next, come to the next line. They also buy oranges and bananas. So student, tell me what the color of oranges and bananas. So the color of oranges and bananas are orange and yellow. Okay. And the shopkeeper takes a basket. He puts the melon and mangoes on one side. When Mummy and Joya buy lots of fruits, so that time the shopkeeper of the shop puts a basket, and he puts the melon and mangoes on one side in the basket, and he puts the bananas on the other side in basket. He puts the oranges and grapes on top of the fruit basket. Looks lovely. Okay, he puts the oranges and grapes on top, and the fruit basket looks lovely. And after that, Mummy gives money to the shopkeeper and takes the basket. Joya and Mummy walk home. When Joya and Mummy buy lots of fruits, so that time the shopkeeper take a basket and put all the fruits in a basket in a very gently, and after that when he decorated the basket, so that time the basket looks very lovely. Okay, and after that Mummy gives money to the shopkeeper and takes the basket from the shopkeeper, and Joya and Mummy walk home. And on the way, Joya said to her mother that Granny will be so happy to get the fruit basket. Joya said to her mother that Granny will be so happy to get the fruit basket. So Mummy replied, we too will feel happy. Okay, we too feel happy. So on the basket there is a card. As you can see, it's a fruit basket, looks very pretty, very lovely, and here is a card for Granny that I love you, Granny. Okay student, so by this story we have learned that in this story there is a little girl and her mother wants to visit Granny. So that's why they wants to buy something for the Granny, and Granny loves fruit so much, so that's why Joya and her mother wants to buy fruit for Granny, and they goes to the fruit shop. And on the way they see there are many shops. There are toy shops, book shops and cloth shop, but they want to buy fruits, so that's why they going to the fruit shop and they buy lots of fruits for their Granny. And at the last when they buy lots of fruits, so that time the shopkeeper of the shop take a basket and put all the fruits in the basket, and after that Mummy gives money to the shopkeeper and takes basket from him, and they both started walking back to home. And on the way Joya said to her mother that Granny will be so happy to get the fruit basket, and Mummy replied, we too will feel happy. And student, there is a card for Granny, that is I love you, Granny. So through this story we going to learn that whenever we wants to meet someone, so that time we buy something for that person. Okay, when we visit someone, so that time we buy something for that person. It's called good manner. Okay student, it's called good manner whenever we meet any person, so that time we give them present. Okay student, so this is the story that I explained to you. I have explained to you. So dear student, I hope you all like this story. So your homework is you have to read this given story, this beautiful story at your home, and also find out the hard words of this chapter. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.